Good morning. This is Craig. That's my fan in the bedroom, taking it in without light and with light. My kids at 4th of July. My mom and I, me in the Navy. These are screenshots from old movies. I'll let you know. That's my grandmother on the right. That's me when I was about 7 years old with my grandmother and my brother. There's my grandfather. Hi, Grandpa. There's my dad on the right. Aunt Carol, Grandma and Mike, Mike and me, and what I should not have been doing is messing with the dog. Grandma. Now, some of these people, I don't know who they are. But that's right. Playing with the camera. My beautiful wife is coming out. There she is. Hi. There's Bella, James and Bella. Oh yeah. We had a visit with my daughter. Yeah. There's my nurse, Sai. I'm keeping track of my exercise. Practicing all my different harmonicas. I have, I don't know, about 16. I need some more. Ha ha ha. Let's see.
Drop that.
Get it.
For me, break for me, break the body for me, what, work.